Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing the quad lock vibration dampener. Bikes produce vibrations that can actually damage your phone's camera. It's because the tiny motors and springs inside your phone's optical image stabilization can wear out from excessive vibration. The vibration dampener absorbs those harmful vibrations, reducing over 90% of high frequency vibrations. The dual chassis suspension system with the tiny little silicone grommets basically act as a shock absorber for your bike. So I already ride with the quad lock handlebar mount. So to start, you unscrew the index head and then place the vibration dampener onto the handlebar mount. A fairly simple process and only takes less than a minute. And then take the index head and lever and screw it back on top of the handlebar mount, and it takes all of 2 minutes from start to finish. And after riding with it for a few weeks, I can tell you it makes life so much more convenient and easier to read messages and GPS on your phone while riding.